might as well move it. But this next couple, 9 days really. So we got our rain chances this week, and then we're heading toward Christmas. And the question remains of white
that
Christmas,
stresses me out. Yeah, white Christmas. That's what everybody wants,
I'm gonna
right?
go ahead and say sorry. It's going to be a little too warm for that. At least it looks like at this point for Christmas. But right now, gorgeous day. Yesterday we hit 60. Today, few of those high thin clouds, you can see them pretty nicely on our downtown shot here, but notice they're not incredibly thick, so sunlight's still able to get through there. Things are looking good all across the region. You head out to the west, and that's where we already see our next storm system come in. So clouds will get thicker, temperatures will be cooler the next few afternoons as our next storm system traverses across the Rockies and cuts southwest. Or southeast rather, to our southwest. There it is. You see those little white lines starting to ramp up over Colorado. Those are winds higher in the atmosphere starting to pick up as this storm gains steam, and it's going to have to do it by itself because you look at the main jet stream and it is well detached from that. So this cutoff low is going to have to put in some work as it heads our way to get us some good rain. It'll bring some snow to the Rockies and into New Mexico, but as early as tomorrow morning through midday tomorrow, western Oklahoma in the panhandles getting that cold rain, some pockets of heavier rain possible, and it looks like it stays pretty stagnant tomorrow and Thursday, mainly into far western Oklahoma and the panhandles. Can't rule out a stray shower for Oklahoma City, but those chances look pretty low for the next 48 hours. We got to wait until this system gets caught into gear. You see what happens later into Thursday. It starts moving a little bit farther to the east. That back edge of it does. We get some more snow in the panhandle, and then it gets shoved farther to the east. We'll increase our rain chances on Friday here across central Oklahoma. So Wednesday, Thursday, rain chances looking pretty low for us here in central Oklahoma, mainly a western Oklahoma and panhandle event. And then Friday, it gets kicked to the east and we will roll in our rain chances and then roll them out as we go through our Friday night into Saturday morning. It's off to the east and we dry things out, but look a little bit cooler for the weekend ahead. Here's those clouds on our Chickasha cam, our Lucky Star Skycam network. It's 52 out at Will Rogers. Not too bad. Winds relatively light. Mid and upper 50s for much of the metro. It's 58 right now in Midwest City. Most of the state in the 50s. All the green you see pockets of 40s anywhere in the blue in far western Oklahoma and northern Oklahoma, but those are going away as a southeast breeze is helping us warm up a little bit, gusting right now just 7 to 15 miles per hour. So not super windy. It could pick up a little bit out west later this afternoon, up to 20 miles per hour, but again, a southwest or southeast wind is going to help us a little bit in the temperature department. 60 again in Oklahoma City, mid 50s up across the north, some low 60s down to the southwest and south central corners of the state. And then as we go overnight with clouds increasing, especially in western Oklahoma and into central Oklahoma, we're going to see our lows start to get a little stunted. Even with that southeast breeze hanging around, albeit light, we're not going to cool off a whole lot tonight. It's going to be pretty mild with lows mainly in the 40s. Overnight through tomorrow morning, it's mainly western Oklahoma that gets that lighter rain back in the mix. Again, cloud cover increasing out west and staying that way through tomorrow afternoon. We'll keep highs out there on the cooler side as well, 40s to low 50s. Here across the I-35 corridor in central Oklahoma is where we're going to see that transition a little bit. Yeah, still pretty cloudy, but the rain chances as low as they are, that's going to help us stay on the warmer side, relatively speaking. Still some mid and upper 50s for us. It's out west the next couple of days with the rain chances staying elevated that are the cooler ones. As you see tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, moderate to scattered shower chances and light rain chances in western Oklahoma. Some heavy rain out in the panhandles. Maybe a little bit of drizzle squeaks its way toward the metro. Do it again on Thursday, mainly a western Oklahoma event. That's where the 40s are here across central Oklahoma. More 50s, but look how cold the panhandle gets. That's where we're going to start seeing that snow to wintry mix line squeeze its way a little bit farther to the east while temperatures are cold enough for it, and rain starts to take over more in western Oklahoma, but doesn't really show itself to the metro for sure until we get into Friday. Greater chances for scattered showers and some downpours, the highest down across southern Oklahoma. And then you notice our rain and snow line starts to get a little pinker, starts to lose that snow potential as we stay too warm as this system exits, even by Saturday morning, looking like mainly a light rain. Could see 2 to 4 inches in extreme western Oklahoma and parts of the panhandle. It's western Oklahoma that wins it all, but even up to ½ an inch to an inch here in the metro. Could be some nice, meaningful rainfall by the time we wrap things up and dry things out this weekend. That's all we got for now. News 9 is going to be back right after this.